Narayan. We are studying about the perimeter of a regular figure. So what is regular figure here? So the figure or diagram where angles and lengths are equal, it is called regular closed figure. Okay, thus a square and a equilateral triangle are regular closed figure. Now please for sake see page number 211 as the picture is blur here. Page number 212, please see on the page number 211, not 12, so 11, because the picture on the screen is little bit blur. I'm sorry for that. So please see on page number 211. So thus a square and equilateral triangle are regular closed figure. Okay, you find perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. And what is about the equilateral triangle? Perimeter of a equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of one side. So what will be the perimeter of a regular pentagon here? Because pentagon has 5 sides, so we can say here perimeter of a regular pentagon is equal to 5 into length of one side. If we take hexagon, same here, 6 into length of a side. If we take octagon, then it is equal to octa means 8 into length of one side. Get it? So let's start to study the example 6th. Please see in book. Find the distance traveled by Shaina if she takes 3 rounds of a square of a park of side. So the picture itself given here. So perimeter of square park is equal to 4 into length of a side. Okay. So what is the length of a side? That is length of a park. Then here 4 into 70. So it is 280. Now it is the perimeter. That means it is covered in one round. So the distance covered in one round is equal to 280. Therefore, the distance travelled in 3 rounds is equal to 3 into 280. That means 840. Okay. Now, see the 7th example. Pinky runs around a square field of side 75 meter. Bob runs around a rectangular field with the length 160 and the breadth 105 meter. Who covers the more distance and by how much? Now see here, the distance covered by Pinky in one round is equal to perimeter of a square, right? Na? Now perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Then here is 4 into 75. What is 75? 75 is the side of a square field. Okay, that's why 4 into 75 we get 300. Right now? Now next. The distance covered by Bob in one round is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Why? Because he runs around that field which is rectangular in figure, or we can say its shape is rectangular. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So it is equal to 2 into 160 plus 105. So is equal to 2 into 265. So it is equal to 530 meter. Get it? Now see, one is 300 meter and other is 530. So who covers more? Definitely 530 na, and by how much? That means 530 minus 300 we get 230. Therefore Bob covers more distance by 230. Is it right? Okay. So have everyone has understand this example? Fine. We will see the next example. Find the perimeter of regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 centimeter. Okay. So what is the formula for regular pentagon? Regular pentagon is equal to phi into side. So what is the side here? 3 centimeter. So phi into 3, what will you get? 15 centimeter. Okay. Next, the perimeter of hexagon is 18 centimeter. How long is its side? So open page number 212. Fine, now you can see on the screen also. So what is given here? The perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. So it is a regular hexagon, and regular hexagon has 6 sides. Okay. So we can divide the perimeter of given by 6, so that we can get the length of a side. So I am sorry, the one side of a hexagon is equal to 18 divided by 6, that it means the answer will be 3 centimeter. Therefore, the length of each side of a regular hexagon is 3 centimeter. Clear? So we have solved the examples of perimeter of rectangular, then square, equilateral, regular polygons, right? So let's start to solve exercise 10.1. Okay. So see here, I have given you certain notes, so you have to write it. Okay. So first of all, you have to write chapter number, then write the chapter's name, then you have to write the two definition of perimeter. Okay. Understand? Then these are the formulas what we studied till now. Perimeter of rectangle, then perimeter of a regular shape, that is perimeter of a square, perimeter of a equilateral triangle. So one more formula is here. Perimeter of regular shape is equal to number of side multiplied by length of a side. So it is little bit uh, not easy to understand, that's why I have not given here. So if it is regular polygon, then we can change its formula in accordance. So let's start to solve exercise 10.1. So these notes we have to write in copy, and after that leave a line and start exercise 10.1. Okay. So today also, yesterday I have also provided you worksheet of chapter 9. So you have to solve it and check your answer. Answer key is given there. Fine. It is so easy chapter, that's why I have not given so many examples. So 1 2 on tally marks, then pictograph and bar graph. Fine. So let's start our exercise 10.1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So see figure, it is not regular polygon. Okay. Second thing, I can't say it is a trapezium, parallelogram, but it is a quadrilateral, right? So the regular lump sum formula you have to use here. What is it? The perimeter of a figure is equal to sum of all sides. Okay. Now write here carefully the sides of a given figure. So 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Okay. So see here 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 5 12. It is 12 centimeter. Get it? Now B and C are easier examples, that's why I have given you for homework. So draw the diagram as I have drawn here, write the formula same,